again select Motion and Projectile Motion. And this time we will select serial number 8, the maximum range of a projectile, which is showing up with a practice module. When you open this lesson, you will find an additional button, Practice. Before clicking on the Practice button, you should begin the lesson by clicking Start Over. And then completing all the steps until you reach the last step. Once you have understood this lesson, you can click on Practice. In the panel to the right, you will see a parameter called Angle, and this will change from lesson to lesson. This lesson explains to you that if you throw a projectile to the furthest distance away from you, you must throw it at 45 degrees. In practice, we can now change the angle and see the effect real time. The red trajectory traces the path of the projectile thrown at 45 degrees. If you throw it at angles greater than 45 or less than 45 degrees, you will see that it does not reach the maximum range. This will improve your understanding and make you learn faster, and definitely it is more enjoyable. To go back to the lesson, you can click on End Practice and then click on Start Over to restart the lesson from the beginning or step through to a step which you did not clearly understand.